Only 3 insects ever got the highest rating on the Schmidt sting pain index: the bullet ant, the warrior wasp, and the tarantula hawk. Justin O. Schmidt was an American entomologist who rigorously submitted himself to thousands of stings and rated them according to how painful they were. He just died in February, and we lost a hero if you ask me. He claimed to have been stung by the majority of Hymenoptera, which is a large order of insects which includes sawflies, wasps, bees, and ants. The logarithmic scale goes from 1 to 4, with 1 being the least painful to 4 being the most painful. An example of level 1 is the digger bee, whose sting Schmidt described as almost pleasant, a lover just bit your earlobe a little too hard. Or the sweet bee, of which he said, light, ephemeral, almost fruity, as if a tiny spark has singed a single hair on your arm. The termite rating ant is level 2 on the logarithmic scale, and he said, the debilitating pain of a migraine contained in the tip of your finger. Another level 2 was the glorious velvet ant. He said, instantaneous, like the surprise of being stabbed. Is this what shrapnel feels like? At level 3 you got the Maricopa harvester ant. After 8 unrelenting hours of drilling into that ingrown toenail, you find the drill wedged into the toe. And for the warrior wasp, he wrote, torture, you are chained in the flow of an active volcano. Why did I start this list? This is how he described the tarantula hawk. Blinding, fierce, shockingly electric. A running hairdryer has just been dropped into your bubble bath. And the bullet ant, he wrote, pure, intense, brilliant pain, like walking over charcoal with a 3-inch nail embedded in your heel. He always put it down like a poet, and every time I've talked about him before, people have come into the comments and said they met him and that he was a really cool guy.